Welcome to our channel. Today, we continue our journey through Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. If you missed the previous video on chapters 52 and 53, be sure to check it out. Now, let's dive back into 19th century England and high society. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Chapter 54 is titled The Conversation. In this chapter, Elizabeth and the gardeners converse about Mr. Darcy's letter and its contents. Elizabeth shares the contents of Mr. Darcy's letter with the gardeners, and they are shocked by the information. They are especially surprised by Mr. Darcy's role in separating Jane and Mr. Bingley and his involvement in Lydia's marriage to Mr. Wickham. Despite the surprising information, the gardeners acknowledge that Mr. Darcy's actions were motivated by genuine concern for the Bennet family and were ultimately for the greater good. Elizabeth is also grateful for Mr. Darcy's actions, and she realizes he is not the proud and aloof person she initially believed him to be. Instead, he is a man who is deeply concerned about her family's well-being and willing to go to great lengths to protect them. Chapter 55 is titled The Message from Mr. Collins. In this chapter, Elizabeth receives a letter from Mr. Collins, her cousin, who is the rector of Hunsford. In the letter, Mr. Collins informs Elizabeth that he has recently married Charlotte Lucas, a friend of Elizabeth's. He also mentions that Mr. Darcy was present at the wedding and has recently become a close friend of Mr. Darcy. Elizabeth is shocked by the news, as she had previously rejected Mr. Collins's marriage proposal and thought he would never forgive her for it. She is also surprised by the news that Mr. Darcy is a close friend of Mr. Collins, as she had previously thought they would never be friends due to their vastly different personalities. Thank you for joining us for this summary of Pride and Prejudice, chapters 54 and 55. Stay tuned for more twists and turns in this beloved classic. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, and if you need a copy of the book, check the link in the description. Get ready to fall in love with Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy all over again. See you in our next video.